I have spent thousands trying to make flight simulation more realistic, and somehow I've made it less enjoyable. And that took me way too long to realise. This isn't about building that perfect simulator. It's all about enjoying the very act of flying. Everything else, all of this, it's all optional. You see, when I got into flight simulation, it was pretty simple. Load into a program, take off, and just have fun. That was it. And then, better gear, more realism. And at first, I got to be honest, it was pretty cool. I was really enjoying it. And for a decent while there, it actually felt like great progress. Like I was, I don't know, leveling up the experience. But slowly, things have changed. You see, I found myself, just not flying as much. Got into this vortex of chasing the perfect setup, constantly tweaking settings, looking for hardware upgrades, more software, and just constantly looking at raising the bar on realism, procedures, doing everything properly every single time.
Boston Center, Skyhawk Juliet, Alpha Echo, Worcester Regional with Golf, requesting IFR clearance to Lawrence Municipal 1 POV.
And I kept saying to myself, well, this is it. This is what flight simulation is, and this is what it should be. But you see, here's the thing. The more I added, the more I tweaked, the more fragile this became. There was always something not connecting, something needing an update, something not working like it did yesterday. So instead of just enjoying flying, I found myself troubleshooting. So jumping into this cockpit and trying to just do a normal flight and starting to lose that enjoyment of what it's supposed to actually be. It's becoming not relaxing, not exciting, just plain darn effort. It hasn't become, do I want to actually go flying? It's starting to become, do I actually want to deal with all of this? What am I going to face when I load into the sim? And sometimes that answer is, I just don't want to deal with it. So here's where I started turning things around. I just stopped trying to do everything perfectly. I still have the same setup, the same cockpit, but I'm changing my thinking about the way that I use it. There's been many times where the G1000 doesn't want to talk to the sim. I skip it. I'll skip the cold and dark starts and just start on the runway. There is a vast majority of time where I just simply load in, engine's already running, barrel down the runway and just take off. And if one of the peripherals is not working, be it a standby gauge or something that's not a primary flight control, I just leave it now. Who cares? And once I got that mindset, instantly this started to feel much better, easier, and importantly, fun again. Because the reality is, whilst nice, it doesn't need to be all of this. You could argue the less you have, the better. At its core, realism, it's not the main problem. But chasing that realism at all costs, look, in my view, that's where it starts to break. So now for me personally, I approach this differently. I don't sit in this simulator anymore and go, what is the most realistic way that I can do this next flight? I sit in here and I ask myself, what makes me want to fly right now? Some days that is going to be full realism. Procedures, cold and dark, you name it, we'll do it. But there are other days where I just want to get in, fire the engine and just take off. No pressure, no friction, no tweaking, no optimizing, just
Alan,
flying.
look at the scenery, mate. Look at it. It's amazing.
So I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Have you made your systems that complex that you seem to find yourself actually flying less? Or is it that actual realism that's got you hooked? Because I've got a funny feeling that there's a vast majority of us that are sitting in both camps. and I'm keen to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor, smash that like button, and if you are not yet subscribed, it would be great if you could hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and I will catch up with you guys on the next one.